Hi there. So follow up on my video previously of when I showed my wash day using the Dippity Doo Girls With Curls gel. This is pretty much my second day here. I refreshed it again using the same gel, so I'm going to scrunch out the crunch in the same method as my previous video, and we'll see what the results look like. So at this point, I'm pretty much practically done with scrunching out the crunch and removing the gel cast, but I'm gonna fluff my hair up from my roots just to give a little bit more volume. So at this point, I definitely don't mind the way that my hair looks, but knowing me, I love a lot more texture and volume to my hair. So I'm going to be applying some dry shampoo. I've been using the Shea Moisture Fusion Coconut Water Weightless Dry Shampoo for probably about 8 months now. You can squeeze the bottle. It's pretty soft and it'll disperse all over your hair wherever you apply it. But I personally just like to take the lid off and add it to my palms instead. Alright, so this is right after I added the Shea Moisture Fusion Coconut Water Weightless Dry Shampoo to my roots, and I fluffed it up a little bit for more volume and movement in my hair, and this is exactly what I love to see in my hair. So again, a recap, I styled my second day hair as a refresh using the Dippity Doo Girls With Curls gel, and these are the results.